thank you for watching my channel. This is May 26, 2023. We've now landed to Bohol Island. It took about an hour flight from Manila Airport. We have now landed at Tagbilaran Airport. So this airport is in Panglao part of Bohol Island. So the time is 1 p.m. We have a driver waiting for us to take us to Bellevueresort. Welcome to Bohol Airport. We've landed. Here's the airport here. Ma'am, sir.
Nagpa-brown na yung chocolate yan. Welcome, sir. Welcome sa Bellevueresort.
Welcome to Bellevueresort. This is the main lobby, guys. It looks very nice and very modern. Let's check out the map. There's a nice sitting area. Okay, let's check 506.
Wait, we have two rooms.
We have 2 rooms.
Two different.
Okay, we're on the 5th floor, guys. We're gonna check kids' room first.
Wait, is that an island?
We are looking for 506. Okay. 506.
Wait, is that an island?
Yeah. Very nice, guys. Room check. So,
Did you bring the...
let's see the view.
It's a good view. But I'd rather review.
Got a nice view.
Yeah.
Time to do the...
Look at the view, guys. This is the kids' room. Yeah, but we're on the upgraded
Does that mean this one's my bed?
jacuzzi.
Wait, connected?
So, our room's gonna be on the same floor. We're on 506. Bathroom check. Bathroom check.
Oh my god, it's huge. Oh my god. I'm sleeping here. I'm sleeping here. Is this?
So,
Whoa.
yep.
Oh, there's one here. Dion. Ayan, no?
Oh, perfect.
Oh, galing, no? Parang connecting. Ito pala yung Sabi ko, connecting.
Okay, thank you po. Transformer. Okay, now guys, we are checking our room. 519.
Yung tapos lang po yung ano lang. Yung pag nag-green po. Sweet room.
Wow. We have a living room. We have a living room. We're so We should just all stay here.
Thank you. All right, let's check the view. Oh wow, this is so great. Thank you. No, she's sleeping with you.
Kale sleeping with this. Ooh, you have a.
Dad, look at this.
Hang on. We got a jacuzzi, guys. Hey, put that back. I haven't recorded it yet. We've got a jacuzzi. We've got a jacuzzi, guys.
You gonna family bathe in your dog?
Our view is better though.
Yeah, your room sucks.
Okay, this is our view.
Our view is better.
Your view is better, but this will do for us.
Yeah, but
It's okay. We have a jacuzzi. It's nice. It's okay.
Our room is a upgraded.
Jacuzzi. Can I keep this?
Oh, we're so happy that we picked this place. And so glad they upgraded our room. So we have our living room area.
yeah, you don't want to sleep on that.
We have our office area with fridge. And this is the room. Oh, what is that? This is our room.
I'm so happy. Anna, where are we going? Are we eating? Let's go eat. You have a TV, silly. We have a better looking TV.
This is our washroom.
Whoa, these are like fridges. They light up when you open them. Look.
Guys,
Wow. This is like a 5-star hotel,
it is, right?
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 Ganda, no?
This is better than Jamaica, yeah. No, it's better. The room at least.
The room is
Well,
better.
that one.
Ayun naman sis, oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, why are you not sitting here?
Sit there.
Mom and Dad. Position.
Right.
Thank you. Hello. Can I see? Can I see? Wow. Galing naman. Oh, this is a different experience, guys.
Look, ooh, there's
Good job, Dad.
pizza.
Lavara.
I want pizza. Again.
Can you point the fan more in like the direction?
It's gonna go around.
Anong gusto niyo?
It's like we're in
Wow.
Japanese.
Uy, ang dami oh. Daming choices oh.
Right? Yeah.
Okay, guys. What do you
Ooh,
wanna?
is this pasta?
What do you wanna eat? Oh, paella. Seafood
Right?
paella.
Mom, you have to try this. It says a must try.
Must try. Oh my God. Ano yan?
Good stuff, right?
Okay, good job, Dad. Ito, what's this?
Chicken.
Mango crepe again.